Jai Hind everyone, good morning to all of you. This is Pooja Upadhyay from Shri Ram Public School. I welcome to you all in Shri Ram Public School online classes. Student, today we are going to start with a new topic in the same chapter, that is security and the safety of e-transaction, e-business risk. Online transaction, unlike arm's length transaction in physical exchange, are prone to be a number of risks. What they are saying that uh, while going to physical shop and purchasing the goods from over there, it is quite safer as compared to that online transaction, because while doing the online transaction, our personal details like our name, contact numbers, address and all get disclosed in front of the others. First thing. Second thing, while coming the delivery boy for the goods at our place, that also very risky, that because that person is a stranger, we don't know about him, right? And they are got so many information about us while online transaction. Sometimes, while making the payment also, some information was leaked. So there is a chance of lots of risk involved in the online business. What is that? And how to get protect ourselves with all those things that we are going to see in this question. A risk refers to the probability of any misshipping, mishappening that can result into the financial, reputational or psychological losses to the parties involved in the transaction. Nowadays, you saw the so many ads are coming on such a thing that those who came for the delivery boy, they did something wrong while doing the delivery goods to the customer. जिससे क्या होता है, जो डिलीवरी बॉय आते हैं जनरली उनसे ज़्यादा रिस्क इसलिए होता है क्योंकि वो आपके एड्रेस पे आते हैं, ठीक है। वो आपके लिए पूरे स्ट्रेंज है। जैसे हम दुकान में किसी को देखते हैं तो हम रेगुलर उसको देखते हैं तो हमें लगता है हाँ ये सही है, लेकिन जब ऑनलाइन बिजनेस करते हैं तो कोई फर्स्ट टाइम हमारे घर आता है गुड्स डिलीवर करने के लिए तो हमें थोड़ा स्ट्रेंज फील होता है. We don't know about that person, a single one person, right? We don't know anything about that person. So but while carrying the goods, that person get the so many information about us, like address, our mentality, thinking, talking, communicating with them. They got it which type of the person we are, and according to that they can able to misapping with us, right? सो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे रिस्क इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. और दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि जब हम ऑनलाइन अपना लॉगिन आईडी बनाते हैं ना, तो हमारे सारे जो पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन होते हैं वो भी सीक्रेट नहीं रह जाते हैं, ठीक है, पब्लिकली डिस्क्लोज हो जाते हैं. तो ये सारे रिस्क इन्वॉल्व होते हैं यहाँ पे. बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रेटर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सच रिस्क इन द केस ऑफ द ऑनलाइन ट्रांजेक्शन, सिक्योरिटी सेफ्टी की तो बहुत ज़रूरी है ऑब्वियसली. आखिर ये बिजनेस इतना वाइड रेंज में चल रहा है ऑनलाइन, तो बगैर सिक्योरिटी और सेफ्टी के तो होगा नहीं. सो जो रिस्क इन्वॉल्व थे उनसे बचने के लिए क्या क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे करना चाहिए, देखिए. One may broadly discuss this issue under three heading: transaction risk, data storage and transmission risk, and threat to intellectual property and the privacy risk. फर्स्ट वन क्या है हमारा, ट्रांजेक्शन रिस्क, जिसमें क्या होता है देखिए. सेलर डिनाइज दैट द कस्टमर एवर प्लेस द ऑर्डर, और द कस्टमर डिनाइज दैट ही एवर प्लेस द ऑर्डर. दिस मे बी रिफर टू एज अ डिफॉल्ट एन ऑर्डर टेकिंग एंड गिविंग. यानी कि यहाँ पे से हो सकता है कि ऑर्डर मिला ही नहीं, ऑर्डर दिया है. इस तरह के मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स क्लियर हो सकते हैं, ठीक है. जैसे पता है आप लोग को, हम लोग कई बार ऐसे करते हैं ना, ऑर्डर वगैरह दे देते हैं, फिर मूड बदल जाता है, तो बिना इंटीमेशन के ही हम अपना वो ऐप अनइंस्टॉल मार देते हैं, या वो गुड्स डिलीवरी के लिए निकल चुके हैं उसके बाद हम उसको डिलीट कर देते हैं ऑर्डर को एंड ऑल. सो इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, ठीक है. तो ये हो जाता है हमारा ट्रांजेक्शनल रिस्क. सेकेंड है हमारा द इंटेंडेड डिलीवरी डज नॉट टेक अ प्लेस, गुड्स आर डिलीवर्ड एट अ रॉन्ग एड्रेस. ये भी चांसेस है क्योंकि जो एड्रेस होता है वो एक्चुअल तो होता है, बट नियर बाय लोकेशंस वगैरह की वजह से होता है क्या, समटाइम्स गुड्स जो है हमारा वो रॉन्ग एड्रेस पर चला जाता है. नेक्स्ट है सेलर डज नॉट गेट द पेमेंट फॉर द गुड्स सप्लाइड, वेयर इज द कस्टमर claim that the payment was made. This may be referred to as a default on payment. Payment issues भी हो सकते हैं. Next, thus in a business risk may arise for the seller or the buyer on account of default on order taking giving, right? Delivery as well as the payment. Such situation can be averted by providing for identity and location address verification at the time of the registration, and obtaining the authorization as to order confirmation and the payment realization. For example, in order to confirm that the customer has correctly entered his detail in the registration form, the seller may verify the same from the cookies. Cookies are very similar to the caller ID in telephones that provide the telemarketers with such relevant information. मीन्स ये एक जरिया है जिसके थ्रू ये पता लगाया जा सकता है कि ट्रांजेक्शन्स रिस्क जो इन्वॉल्व है, जैसे रॉन्ग एड्रेस पे गुड्स का पहुंचना एंड ऑल, तो इससे ओवरकम कैसे किया जा सके, और जो कस्टमर के थ्रू हमें ऑर्डर मिल रहा है वो एग्जैक्टली वो है कहाँ पे, इस चीज़ को कैसे फाइंड आउट किया जा सके, उसके लिए हमने अलग अलग वे स्टार्ट किए. The cookies are very similar to the caller ID in telephones that provide the telemarketers with such relevant information as the consumer's name, address, and previous purchase payment record. As for the customer's protection from the anonymous sellers, it is always advisable to shop from well-established shopping sites. मतलब किसी भी साइट से आप मत परचेस कीजिए, शॉपिंग कीजिए, जो रजिस्टर्ड है, जो फेथफुल है, उन्हीं साइट से आप कीजिए. कभी कभी होता है कि ना ऐसे कुछ वेबसाइट होते हैं जो चीट करने के लिए लोगों को चलाए जाते हैं. While allowing the advertiser to sell their product online, these sites assure the customer of the seller identities, location, and the service records. Sites such as eBay even providing for a rating of the seller. This site provide the protection to the customer against the default on delivery and the reimburse the payment made up on the next up to some extent. यानी कि ट्रांजेक्शनल रिस्क से ओवरकम होने के लिए ये सारी फैसिलिटीज़ की गई हैं, जिसके अंदर कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन भी देखा जाता है. For the payment, we have already seen that the almost 95% of the cases people use credit cards for their online purchase. At the time of the confirming the order, the buyer is required to furnish the details such as the card number, card issuers, card validity online. These details may be proceed offline, and only after the satisfying himself or herself about the availability of the credit limit, etc., the seller may go ahead with the delivery of the goods. Alternatively, e-commerce technology today permit even online processing of the credit card information. For protecting the credit card detail from being misused, shopping malls these days use the encrypted technology such as SSL, Dead Space Secure Sockets layer. You can gain some information about the SSL from the box on history of e-commerce. In the succeeding section, we will familiarize you with the encryption or cryptography, an important tool used for guarding against the data transmission risk in online transaction. क्लियर हुआ? तो इससे क्या होता है, हम लोग अपने ऑनलाइन ट्रांजेक्शन को सिक्योर एंड सेफ्टी प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट है डेटा स्टोरेज एंड द ट्रांसमिशन रिस्क. Information is power needed, but think for a moment if the power goes into the wrong hand, or data stored in the system and in routes is exposed to a number of risks. Vital information may be stolen or modified to pursue some selfish motive or simply for fun adventure. You must have heard of virus and hacking. Do you know the full form of the acronym virus? It means vital information under siege. Actually, virus is a program which reflects itself on other computer system. The effect of computer viruses can range from mere annoyance in terms of the sum on screen displayed, disruption of the target data file, to complete destruction of the system. Installing and timely updating the antivirus program and scanning the files make disk with them provide the protection to your data files. Means as you heard about the hacking and all, that also the data storage facilities get corrupted, and due to which there is a lot of risk involved, because that data which is stored by the concerned person may be loose in other hand, and they may be able to use it in the bad way. Okay, data may be intercepted in the course of transmission. For this, one may be cryptography. It refers to art of protecting the information by transforming it, encrypting it into an unreadable format called ciphertext. Only those who possess a secret key can decipher or decrypt the message into the plain text. This is similar using the code words with someone so that the other do not understand your conversation. Means they hide our data, store data. I mean information, whatever we put it in the data, in a one encrypted code word that both the parties only know with which are interacting with each other. That's it. Other than them, no other party will know the what the data stored and what the information was sharing in between the two parties. Next, risk of threat to intellectual property and privacy. Internet is an open space. Once the information is available over the internet, it moves out of the private domain and then become the difficult to protect it from being copied. Right? As you know that the so many goods and method of product and procedure of the goods are also disclosed on online. And if once anyone seen that, so they can able to copy it out or modify the same thing and make a new goods, or maybe that is uh, nearby the same goods. So this kind of the risk also involve like intellectual property and all. To overcome but this, the data furnished in the course of online transaction may be supplied to other who may start dumping a host of the advertising and promotional literature into your email box. You are then at receiving the end with a little respite from receiving the junk mail. Clear? I hope so you clear with all this. Student, still if you having any kind of the doubts, so you can ask me in the evening schedule. Otherwise, be ready with a test series of the same topic. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind, take care. And one more thing, if you like and understand my lecture, so please share, subscribe, comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.